In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partials on TradeZella. Now, this is only possible inside backtesting. So if I go to the backtesting tab over here and I go and create a new session, which I'm going to just name tutorial, and then for symbols, we're just going to do something very simple. We're going to do Bitcoin USD here. There we go. And then I'm going to put on, let's just do 10K, and then the start dates are going to be, let's do from December 1st to December 10th, and then click on create session. Now in here, to actually go and take partials, of course, the first thing you have to do is start your time here, and then after you do that, you can then buy whatever you want, and if you either buy or sell, after you enter in your quantity, you'll be able to see your open orders down here at the bottom. And under open positions, you can just scroll down to see them. Here you can then click on close position, and it's going to allow you to basically take partials or partially close the position. So here I can do like 50%, click on close position, and there we go. I've basically partially closed a position or taken partials inside TradeZella backtesting. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.